Hi guys, I'm back with another tutorial on Scratch. By the way, sorry I haven't been doing a tutorial for a long time. I've just been very busy. But yeah, when you want to first of all put in when the green flag is clicked, and then you're going to make a variable. And sorry, today I'm going to be just showing you how to use a variable called scrollX to make like scrolling platformer games such like Mario and other platforming games like Sonic and stuff like that. And you want to make it for all sprites, so just call it something like scrollX, it doesn't really matter. And press OK. And sorry, you need to go into the stage, and when the green flag is clicked, and just set scrollX to 0. Go back in the cat, and we're going to put in a forever loop and then an if statement, and in this if statement we're going to put in key right arrow press. So this is basically for when the cat's going right, and inside this we're going to change scrollX by -5 or -3, -4, but I tend to do -5, it's probably a good speed. By the way, it's -5 because we're going to be using scrollX to move move a sort of the ground along, and if you're going right, the cat's going to be going right and the ground is going to be going to the left. So for going to the left, we're going to set it to -5 because that's negative, so that will go to the left. You'll see why in a minute, but yeah, just duplicate this, change it to left arrow and reverse values to 5, and that's pretty much all we need at the moment. And now we're just gonna paint a new sprite. You can make this in like another program and then do it, but just for the purpose of this tutorial I'm just gonna do a simple green grass sort of thing. I'm just gonna draw a square down there, and just to show you that it's actually scrolling, I'll just put in a little circles on the ground just like that. Make sure you're zoomed out completely, and it needs to be the width of the paint editor, and press OK. And then you'll just want to move it down here, just roughly down there. And once you've made this sprite, you're gonna want to put in some scripts. So put in when the green flag is clicked, and then put in another forever loop. Sorry. Inside this forever loop, you're just gonna want to go in motion, and then set X. This is a slightly complicated part. Then you need to go in the plus, put in a +1, go in the variables, put in scrollX here, and then you want to get a ×1 from here, and just do 480 times by 0. And I know that just means scrollX plus 0 now, so it's basically just set X scrollX, but we're just going to duplicate that for the other ground bits that's going to be after this bit. So that might be slightly complicated. Basically, all that means is because we're going to be changing scrollX here, that's basically going to move this that way, and it will give the effect that it's moving. If we just place the cat down here, just roughly there, it doesn't matter. You'll see what I mean. If I press the right key, it will go forward like that. But obviously after that bit, there's nothing. So yeah. So that's that working. And now what we're going to do is just duplicate this. Oh, by the way, before, you probably want to like rename this like ground 0 or something like that. That will just tell you that's the first ground you're seeing, well, the 0 ground, but it's just because it's got the little 0 here. And now duplicate this as many times as you like. It doesn't really matter. Basically that's how long your like ground's going to be. So oh sorry, I didn't explain this, but this 480 is the width of the screen. So if we're going to this one, we have to change it to 1, and that basically means that like it's going to move it to it's kind of complicated, but like after the width of the screen, if you see what I mean. Yeah, anyway, so now you've got like another, oh, we need to move that up, because we haven't actually set the Y values. Yeah, so now the cat can move along like that. So yeah, we've got slightly more interesting terrain. If you like, you can change this terrain. If we just change the costume to whatever you like, maybe have, I don't know, maybe a tree or something. We could draw in a tree, or just something in the background, I guess, if you want to. Don't know, it's up to you really. You can edit that. I'm just gonna show you how the scripts work. Then you'll probably want to rename this ground 1, since it's in the script, it's the 1 here, if you see what I mean. Make this 2, rename it ground 2. You get the idea. Ground 3, and just make that like that. So yeah, that is basically it. Obviously you can improve this. That is too low down. You probably want to set the Y values as well, possibly. Just getting to, oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. You see scroll X here is minus 585 because that's how much the ground has gone that way. So at the moment the ground's sort of over here or something. But yeah, I hope I explained that well. Is there anything else? When you get to the end, maybe like you could have I don't know, you could I suppose if you duplicate this, rename it wall, at the end make that 4. You could, if you just edit the sprite, zoom out and like rotate it, maybe take clockwise. Yeah, press OK. You've sort of got a wall, and then you could on the cat, if put another when the green flag's clicked, forever if touching, actually don't do that, sorry, bear with me. Forever if not touching wall, do nothing, that should work. If touching wall, set scroll X, sorry, change scroll X by, I don't know, 1, I guess. Maybe you probably want 5 actually. But yeah, I think that will mean that, yeah, that's a slight problem because you get it at the end. You might want to put it on the end of ground 3, probably be better. Yeah, that's because that's at the edge. Wait, go in the costumes, edit it, select it, Oh, I've got quite at the top there. I shouldn't be trying to be exact, but oh well. Move the wall up as well. There we go. That's probably worked now. There, so it can't go past it now. Yeah, that should work. You could always make it invisible if you want. Yeah. Well, that is basically it, guys. Obviously you can put in items and stuff. I might be making a future tutorial on how to make a Mario game, which sort of incorporates this, but I don't know if I am. It's very complicated, but yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you like the videos. So yeah, see ya.